Hi, our next activity is the wait activity. This wait activity is a very basic and simple activity. In the pipeline, waits for a specific time period which is defined in the wait activity properties, and then after the wait period, it starts continuing with the execution. So let's see how we can configure this wait activity. So this is our pipeline which we have created, and we have already explained about get metadata, filter, if condition, and inside the if condition append variable. Now we'll add the wait activity. The wait activity is under the general section, and this is the wait activity. Let's add the wait activity in between the get metadata and filter. So here in the wait activity properties, we can give some name, some description, and then settings. In the settings, we can give any value in seconds. Let's wait for 10 seconds, and that's all. We'll validate the pipeline. Then let's publish the changes. The changes are published. We'll now debug the pipeline. The pipeline execution is started. So we can see here the pipeline execution is started, and get metadata is already completed. Then wait is going on. We can hit this refresh button, and it is completed. Let's see how it is executed. We can see the get metadata has taken 1 second, then wait activity has taken 11 seconds, because we have defined 10 seconds and 1 second it has taken to proceed to the next activity. Then filter activity, if condition, and append variable. So this is how we can configure the wait activity. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.